Namaste to everyone present in this session of Sunday School. Today we are going to learn general multiplication of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, and with 2-digit number with any digit of numbers. Till now we have learned various multiplication methods. All methods studied so far are useful in certain special cases. Today we will study the general Vedic method for multiplying any two numbers. Here we use the Vedic Sutra Urdhva Tiryakbhyam, means vertically and the crosswise. As the name suggests, the method consists of steps involving vertical multiplication and crosswise multiplication and giving the answer in one straight line. The multiplication can be carried out from left to right or from right to left. You can use this method when you find it difficult to multiply by any other method presented earlier. First we take example of multiplication of 2-digit numbers 12 into 13. For this we have to remember pattern of multiplication. First, these dots represent 2-digit numbers. First we multiply vertically tens place digits. Then we multiply crosswise and partial products are added. Then we multiply ones place digits vertically. The method carried out in 3 steps. As we have two digit numbers, means overall 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of steps 4 minus 1, that are 3 steps. We can multiply from left to right or from right to left. Here we multiply from left to right. First we multiply tens place digit 1 into 1, that is 1 only. Then crosswise 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. These partial products 3 and 2 are added. And in the third step we multiply ones place digits vertically. 2 into 3 is 6. On combining these 3 parts we get 1, 5, 6 will be the answer. We take one more example to better understand the process. 24 into 16. First we multiply vertically tens place digit. 2 into 1 2. Then 2 into 6 12 plus 1 into 4 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So we drop 6 and carry 1. Similarly, in the last step, in the third step, we multiply vertically ones place digit. 4 into 6 is 24. So we drop 4 here and carry 2. Now this 2 is carried to next tens place digit. 6 plus 2 will become 8. And this 1 carried to hundreds place digit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So finally we get 384 is the answer. Now we learn to multiply 3-digit number with 2-digit number by moving multiplier method of Urdhva Tiryakbhyam. The pattern of multiplication is like this. First we multiply. If we proceed from left to right, then first we multiply left digits vertically. Then we multiply left 2 digits crosswise. Then we multiply right 2 digits crosswise. And finally we multiply right digits vertically. We take one example to understand this process. 123 into 45. First of all, we multiply 1 into 4 vertically to get 4. Then crosswise we multiply 1 into 5, 5 plus 4 into 2, 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So we drop 3 and carry 1. In the third step, we multiply crosswise. 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into 3 is 12. Partial products 12 and 10 are added to get 22. 2, we drop 2 and carry 2. And finally, we multiply left digits. 3 into 5 15. We drop 5 and carry 1. If we proceed from right to left, we carry this 1 to tens place digit to get 23 here, and this 2 is carried to left neighborhood. 2 plus 3 is 5 here and 1 carried to left neighborhood, so 4 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer is 5535. Here we take 4 steps because 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Overall 5 digits, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 steps are there. Now if we multiply 2 3-digit numbers like 123 into 121. So pattern is like this. Multiply left digits first, then crosswise first 2 digits, then crosswise first to last, and bottom first to last top crosswise, and middle digits vertically. And in the fourth step, we multiply last 2 digits of each number crosswise and partial products are added. And in final step, that is fifth step, we vertically multiply unit place digits. For example, in 123 into 121, for leftmost digit we multiply 1 into 1 to get 1. Then for next digit we multiply crosswise. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 is 4. Then again crosswise we multiply top first to bottom last, 1 into 1, and top last to bottom first, 3 into 1, and vertically 2 middle digits, 2 into 2 4. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, 8. Then we multiply crosswise right 2 digits, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3, that is 2 plus 6 is 8. And in the last step we multiply unit place digits vertically. 3 into 1 is 3. On combining these all 5 steps, the answer is 14883. You always get answer in single line. While in traditional method, for this type of multiplication will be carried out in 4 to 5 steps. And here we got answer in single line. Number of steps involved here as total number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits. So 6 minus 1, 5. 5 steps will be there. And this method is known as gem of crown. Is all numbers of any digit can be multiplied by this method to get answer in single line. Thank you.